ClickUp or Things 3? Two top names in productivity, one big question. Which one really delivers? On the left, the all-in-one powerhouse, ClickUp. And on the right, the beautifully streamlined Things 3, made for Apple lovers. Let's skip the buzzwords and dig into what really matters. Each category earns points, and by the end, you'll see exactly who takes the crown. The winner might just surprise you. Okay, check this out. Here's a mind map of what we're going to cover today. We're comparing them on price, features, platform and ecosystem, collaboration, user experience and design, and, what real users actually think. Stick around, because some of these categories have surprises in store. All right, first up, let's talk price. Now, ClickUp, honestly, if you love a good deal, this one's for you. There's a completely free plan, plus team subscriptions won't break the bank, and you're not getting hit with extra fees for using it on different devices. The catch? Yeah, there's got to be one, is you'll have to upgrade for the really advanced stuff. Switching over to Things 3, it's basically pay once, own it. No monthly bills, just a one-time purchase, and you're good. Except, plot twist, if you've got a Mac, an iPhone, and an iPad, you'll need to buy the app for every device. So if you want it everywhere, the total price stacks up pretty quick. So who wins here? Well, for versatility and low ongoing cost, ClickUp takes it. Moving on to features, and oh boy, this is where ClickUp flexes big time. You get project spaces, folders, lists, list view, board view, calendar, Gantt, you name it. Real-time team chat, docs, comments, automations, and even a brainy AI assistant for super slick automations. You get lost for hours discovering things. Sometimes good, sometimes like, wait, where am I? Now, with Things 3, it's all about simplicity. The design is just chef's kiss. Add tasks with this cool Magic Plus button. Organize projects, very visual, very neat. It handles reminders, tags, integrates with your calendar, but honestly, if you're craving advanced time tracking or team collaboration, you'll get a little FOMO here. Integrations? Basic compared to ClickUp, but honestly, it keeps things calm instead of a flood of options. Winner for pure versatility and power is ClickUp. No contest. All right, platform and ecosystem. ClickUp is everywhere. Web, Mac, iOS, Windows, Android, Linux. Sync across them all, and you can plug into other tools and services. They've got an API for dev folks if you're into building your own thing. Things 3, though, it's like a love letter to Apple hardware. Syncs beautifully across all your Apple devices, even Apple Watch. The catch? If you even look at a Windows PC, it vanishes. Absolutely no support for anything outside Apple. So if you're not fully invested, things get tricky. So cross-platform freedom, that's all ClickUp. Oh, and here's something cool. Things 3's Magic Plus button wasn't just tech wizardry. It was actually inspired by sticky notes. That's why adding tasks is so crazy quick and satisfying. Who knew a little analog nostalgia would make its way into an app? Let's chat collaboration. ClickUp gets pretty wild here. You can comment with teammates live, chat in real time, set role-based permissions, even manage teams with specific controls. It's all set up for group work, but heads up, configuring those settings for bigger teams gets a little finicky. Over in Things 3 land, collaboration is, well, it's not really a thing. It's king for personal productivity, but don't expect to share tasks or chat natively. There's no space for teams, period. No brainer. The winner on collaboration? ClickUp. Easy. User experience and design. Now, this is where Things 3 comes to play. It's drop-dead gorgeous. Minimalist, super intuitive. You open it and just get stuff done. No manual needed. The only downside, design-wise, is you can't tweak much if you want to get fancy or cover weird project needs. ClickUp, meanwhile, is like a playground, but sometimes a little too busy. So much to customize and make dashboards your own, but if you're just trying to blast through your day, it can look messy. Learning curve's a thing here. For pure beauty and ease, Things 3 wins this round. Now, user reviews and satisfaction. Let's see what people are saying. Teams and heavy project users love ClickUp's power. It's versatile, fits a bunch of use cases. But again, some folks are like, okay, this is a lot, and performance gets sketchy if you've got a mountain of tasks. Things 3, GTD enthusiasts and individual users rave about it. Visuals and simplicity are always getting shout-outs, but No collaboration, device limits, those are the usual complaints. Honestly, it feels like a split. Both have loyal fans, but for totally different reasons. All right, so if we lay it all out on a radar chart, you'll see ClickUp practically acing everything except the pure, elegant design department, where Things 3 totally takes the cake. Features, price, flexibility, ClickUp leads, but man, Things 3 nails that simplicity and polish. So here's my final take. If you're building stuff with a team, juggling projects across devices, and want pretty much every tool in one app, ClickUp is the clear choice. But if you live and breathe Apple devices and just want a gorgeous, straightforward task manager that feels fun to use solo, Things 3 scores major points. Both have their strengths, but you gotta match it to your own workflow. If this helped you choose your ideal productivity tool, stick around. I've got even more deep dive comparisons coming next. Don't miss out. Let's help you get even more organized this year.